Alright y'all, welcome to Bluegrass Trapping here. So I got some trail camera footage I want to share with y'all. I went out 3 days ago and I found a decent deer trail where I hunt at, close to where I hunt at, and I put in a mock scrape, hung up a vine, hung up a cheap trail camera over it, let it sit out there for 3 days, and I was back out in the same area hunting, so I thought I'd go ahead and change the chip. Which is a good thing I did, because I wound up having to adjust the camera angle and lower the grapevine and all that a little bit. But anyway, them mock scrapes work awesome to get deer to stop and investigate. But keep in mind, when you put them out, put them in a trail that deer's already using. So all you're doing is causing them to stop in that trail and investigate. I had this one buck come through there 4 or 5 times in the last 3 days and check out the scrape. And the way I usually do it, I'll just take a stick or something, make a scrape, hang a vine low enough where they can rub their glands and stuff on it. And if I have to pee, I'll sit there and urinate in it. And that's all I do. I don't ever buy no deer pee or anything. I just urinate in it, and you can see the results. Figured I'd share that footage with y'all. This is the last 3 days of footage on my mock scrape. Appreciate y'all watching. As you can see, he's back the next night, and he's standing there urinating in the scrape, leaving his own scent. Alright, y'all. I hope them little tips help you out a little bit. Thanks for watching that footage. There's a couple things you gotta keep in mind when you put out these mop scrapes. Put them in the area that's already a part of the deer's movement, because the deer's not just going to go out of the way looking for the scrape. You can't just put them in a random location. You might get lucky and the deer might run up on it, but they don't go looking for these. Put them in just find a deer trail, put them in there. The reason I like to use mop scrapes is because it gives me an idea of what kind of bucks are in the area. I can get some pictures of them, and sometimes it might make them use the trail a little more often than they would otherwise. And also keep in mind when you put your camera up, put it in a tree wider than the camera, and I like to put mine about 6 feet high off the ground, and I'll put a stick or something behind it and angle it down. I learned that the hard way. People say they don't care about cameras. Some of them older 3, 4, 5-year-old bucks, they don't like cameras. I made a mistake and put one too low, and I got 2 pictures first night of 2 nice mature bucks, and that's the only pictures I got of them, of that camera. I got them on other cameras, different locations, but they avoided that camera like it was a plague. So it does make a difference. Put your camera up high enough, angle it down, and make sure the outline of the camera's head, and I can almost guarantee you'll see pictures of deer. Does use them scrapes as well. So anyway, hope that helps somebody out, and I appreciate y'all watching.